Hi, you're watching Current Issues. My name is Vineet Malhotra. There has been a 90% rise in the number of chikungunya cases reported in the capital within a week. But the Aam Aadmi Party government is busy in other states when it should be taking steps to contain the disease in the constituency that brought them glory and attention. So far, over 1100 cases of dengue with 4 deaths have been reported by the civic bodies, and over 1000 cases of chikungunya have been reported with 3 deaths so far. The Aam Aadmi Party's government's predicament is understandable. It neither controls the MCDs nor does it have any independent say in several critical areas of governance. The question, however, is, shouldn't crises like this be the perfect occasion for it to stand behind the people of Delhi? It has a moral responsibility for the masses who elected it with such a thumping majority. It appears to be abandoning the people of Delhi at the time of crisis. There is only one minister who's in Delhi. All other ministers are out of station, including the chief minister and the deputy chief minister. Has this party, who claims to be for Aam Aadmi, left them to gain power in other states, or should the LG, Najib Jung, address the problems in Delhi all by himself? We'll get into this debate with our guests, but before that, let's listen into these reactions.
असल में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार ने दिल्ली के लोगों को शर्मसार किया है। आज उनके जो दिल्ली के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हैं वो गोवा में कैंपेन कर रहे हैं, मुख्यमंत्री जी बेंगलोर में हैं, सिसोदिया साहब उप मुख्यमंत्री जी फिनलैंड में हैं, एक मंत्री जी हज पे गए हैं, एक मंत्री जी रायपुर गए हैं। तो दिल्ली की सरकार तो बाहर घूम रही है, तो अपने चुनाव की अगले चुनाव की अलग प्रदेश में चुनाव की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। और बड़े बड़े दिल्ली में बोर्ड लगा दिए, एक तरफ मच्छर की फोटो है, एक तरफ केजरीवाल की फोटो है। दिल्ली में मच्छर तो गया नहीं, केजरीवाल साहब जरूर दिल्ली से बाहर हैं। तो दिक्कत यह है कि इन्होंने सिर्फ 526 करोड़ रुपया विज्ञापनों के लिए खर्चा है। अगर इसने कुल मिलाकर 26 करोड़ रुपया भी दिल्ली के हेल्थ के लिए खर्चे तो आज ये दिक्कत नहीं आती।
मैं इस समय सिर्फ एक ही बात कहूंगा कि केंद्र सरकार की ओर से हम अभी बैठक भी कर रहे हैं और इसको रिव्यू भी कर रहे हैं। समय समय पर डे टू डे बेसिस पर रिव्यू करते हैं और आज भी रिव्यू करेंगे, कल भी रिव्यू करेंगे। प्रदेश सरकार को जो भी मदद चाहिए वो मदद देने के लिए हम तैयार हैं। यह विषय कोई केंद्र सरकार और प्रदेश सरकार के बीच में कोई दोषारोपण का नहीं है, बल्कि हमें ऐसे वक्त पर एक साथ मिलकर के पूरी ताकत से काम करना चाहिए। केंद्र सरकार तत्पर है और हर एक प्रदेश सरकार को मदद करने के लिए लगी है।
कल रात तक मनीष जी के घर पे मीटिंग चली है, आपको भी मालूम है, लेकिन आप उसे बताएंगे नहीं। आज सुबह तक अरविंद केजरीवाल जी इस शहर में थे, आपको भी मालूम है, लेकिन आप बताएंगे नहीं। 2 घंटे में सत्येंद्र जैन जी दिल्ली वापस आ रहे हैं, आपको भी मालूम है, लेकिन आप बताएंगे नहीं। मैंने सुबह मुख्य सचिव से बात करी है, उसके बारे में भी ट्विटर पर डाला है, अधिकारियों से संपर्क में। लेकिन आज दिल्ली में एक व्यक्ति ने खुद को सरकार घोषित किया होता कि मैं ही सरकार हूं, सब कुछ मैं ही हूं। वो आदमी कहां है आज? एलजी कहां है? कौन से देश में, कौन सी दुनिया में? मैं चैलेंज करता हूं आपके चैनल को, एलजी को ढूंढ के दिखाओ कि एलजी है कहां पर। दिल्ली के अंदर 3 मेयर हैं, वो तीनों मेयर कहां पर हैं? उनको जमीन खा गई, आसमान निकल गया। मैं चैलेंज करता हूं, आप 3 मेयर ढूंढ के ले आओ, कहां पर हैं तीनों मेयर? दिल्ली के अंदर 7 सांसद हैं, प्रचंड बहुमत से जीते हुए सांसद हैं, कहां ये 7 सांसद? केवल अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर के सामने धरना करने नजर आते हैं, उसके अलावा कहां है? और 272 निगम पार्षद जिनकी जिम्मेदारी थी कि कूड़ा उठे, दवाई छिड़की जाए, धुआं किया जाए, कहां ये 272 निगम पार्षद? क्यों इस बार पहली बार दिल्ली के अंदर फॉगिंग नहीं हुई?
Okay, so why is this happening in Delhi? Let's introduce our panel to the show. Current Issues, Ashish Dua, spokesperson for the Congress, is with us. Nitin Tyagi, spokesperson for the Aam Aadmi Party, is also joining us. And Harish Khurana, BJP spokesperson, is also with us. Mr. Nitin Tyagi, let us start with you. When your party came into power, it was, looked as an alternative. There were promises made that you would actually give a clean and a transparent government, and you would provide an alternative to the crisis the Delhiites were facing when you assumed power. So, in all honesty, do you think you have achieved that?
Let me tell you a few things. Like we were discussing about chikungunya and dengue right now,
Right.
And there are 2 parts to it. One is preventive and one is curative. Right. When we talk about preventive, it includes cleanliness of the streets, the cleanliness of the drains. It includes sprinkling of medicine in the drains, in the houses. It includes fogging. And this is for the first time it has happened that fogging has not been done in Delhi. While all the money that was required to be given was provided to the MCDs, I just fail to understand whether BJP actually planned or designed this thing to happen it this way, and why did they do it? Is it criminal negligence or is it criminal conspiracy to revenge the people of Delhi? I do just fail to understand. As far as curative is concerned, let me tell you,
Tyagi,
all
Mr.
the
Tyagi,
MLAs
Mr.
have
Tyagi,
been
there is another
have been
problem.
given the
Mr.
responsibility
Tyagi,
to
there
look
is another
after- look
problem.
after,
If
a
you are
hospital,
referring,
look after
if
a
you are
hospital.
referring
Even I
to
have
chikungunya,
a responsibility
sir,
to look after Hedgewater Hospital.
Sir,
Just
sir,
let me-
sir,
just
hear me
let
out,
tell
sir.
you. Just like I have a responsibility to look after Hedgewater Hospital, that is in East Delhi, and I have ensured that before the outbreak of dengue or chikungunya, we had ample amount of beds. We had extra beds than the 200 capacity over there. We had put in extra beds, temporary beds over there, and we had all the medicines and everything in place. And Delhi, as you know, I mean, people from NCR, people from quite a far away areas from outside Delhi also come for the cure in Delhi, because the state governments are not, the neighboring state governments are not so good as far as health is concerned over there. So we were quite ready for it. But here I see a conspiracy by not doing their work. The MCD has ensured that this reaches a crisis like a situation in Delhi.
Okay, Mr.
So this
Tyagi, I'll
is
come
what I
back to you.
wanted
Let
to
me
actually
rope
tell
in Mr. Harish Khurana.
the
Mr.
people
Harish
that they
Khurana,
should
what
also
in a sense
ask-
Mr. Tyagi is saying that they do not have control over the MCD and they do not have any kind of control over some of the critical departments which probably could have given this this problem of chikungunya and dengue in our city another phase, another lease line. But it's reached an epidemic proportion. And the Aam Aadmi Party feels that it's the conspiracy against them. It's the lack of control that they, that's the reason why, these cases have spiraled out of control.
Vineet, I would like to answer in three parts. First, according to Health Minister, which he has stated few minutes back, there is no crisis at all. What we are discussing, he's totally rubbishing that. And what he says, it's who has given you he has asked media guys, who has given you a supari to ask these kind of questions. There is no death has happened because of chikungunya. Media is creating a panic. No health crisis in Delhi. This is being stated by Health Minister of Delhi. Second part, you are blaming MCD. My dear friend, who is also MLA, he's blaming MCD has not taken our part. If something has gone wrong with MCD, we'll take the onus. I am clearing on my channel. But they have completed their duty. If something is wrong, we'll take the onus. But where is your ministry? CM is in Bangalore. Mr. Jain, Goa. Gopal Rai, Chhattisgarh. Sandeep Kumar has been removed. Manish Sisodia, Finland. Imran, the minister, he has gone for Hajj. Only one minister, that is Kapil Mishra, is in Delhi, where his whole ministry has gone. Delhi government has not taken any onus. They are not ready for helping the people Delhi out. And the third important part, what Nitin Tyagi has said, ki Dr. Hedgrover Hospital and all those stuff, we have increased the bed and all. This is the RTI which I have filed. This is my own RTI, so you can't say it's wrong or right. I've asked few questions from Delhi government. How many hospitals were there at the time when they took oath? The answer was 10,859. And when I asked what is the current status is 10,820. That means 39 beds has been reduced in 1.5 years.
Okay.
This is not the blame by BJP. It's been given by your own RTI. Nitin Tyagi ji, at least don't tell
Okay,
lie
let
on the
me
national
get an opening
television.
reaction from Mr. Ashish Dua, who's the spokesperson for the Congress Party. Mr. Dua, there is a general feeling in the population of Delhi and in general as well that ever since the governor was made the administrative head of looking after the affairs of Delhi, the enthusiasm with which the Aam Aadmi Party came in has died down. Sir, what is your point of view, and do you really think this lack of enthusiasm is really costing Delhi a lot of health problems?
Vineet, first of all, I would like to tell on your channel to the panelists and to the people also realize this is not the first time there's a government in Delhi. There have been governments in Delhi before, there have been LGs before, and the governments have functioned. despite being from different parties and different thinking. What has happened this time, it is not only unfortunate, but it's a misfortune of people of Delhi that in this, both the parties are equally complicit. The people overwhelmingly voted for them. 7 of 7 MPs of BJP, the MCDs belong to BJP, and the 67 MLAs out of 70 were voted of Aam Aadmi Party. What has happened is that these people came on elated promises to the people by showing unrealistic picture to the people, and what has happened now is in front of everybody, be it probity, be it propriety in public life. Delhi today is in news only because of only and you hear of atrocities on women, domestic violence, rape, molestation, fake degrees, encroachment, abetment to suicide, desecration of holy books, rioting, land grabbing, harassment, assault. I mean, these are the ones, when all the MLAs are going to jail for the factors, and these are serious charges. These are not political charges. These are the charges, and they only are interested in acting in CDs, not working on the ground for the people. And this has got translated, and this tug of war between the two parties had got translated in such a misfortune. The Swachh Bharat tax the people paid out of their nose is nowhere to be seen in Delhi. Delhi has become like a garbage dump. The responsibility would lie with MCD of BJP and with Aam Aadmi Party, where the MLAs, what are they doing? And at least, they could have done what they're best at doing, sitting at dharna in front of MCD office, but they are nowhere to be seen. They're traveling abroad on public expenses. You think of any country, Finland, France, US, Vatican, they are traveling on public exchequer. Chief ministers shuttling between Bangalore, Goa, Punjab on public expenses. And I would like to show recently, this is a recent RTI which has come out. The chief minister said on Twitter that I don't have power to purchase even a pen, and this is the amount that has been spent on his health, on medical reimbursement, 3,33,684 and 3,04,139 on his travel bill between February 15, July 16. And the charges are much more on the local travel, on other charges, on tea, coffee and biscuits in chief minister's office. It's 22 lakhs and 24 lakhs, so that's almost 50 lakhs just in chief minister's office. And if you put other ministers also offices, that has crossed 1 crore rupees, and these people say we don't have the power to purchase even a pen.
Okay, let me get a reaction from Mr. Tyagi now. Mr. Tyagi, last year as well, the citizens of the capital did face a lot of problems when it came to dengue and chikungunya, and if memory serves me right, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, he did visit a few hospitals when a couple of boys died because of dengue, and he promised that from next year onwards, whenever there is a situation like this, there will be more beds, there will be a cap on the fees, but none of those reforms that were promised last year are to be seen. In fact, to what Mr. Khurana said, that substantiated information that the number of beds has only declined.
Let me correct you on this, Vineet, let me just correct you on this. One, there is a cap of 600 rupees on the medical test of dengue, and apart from that, we have already put in a lot of beds, extra beds in all the hospitals. You should ask your team, your cameramen, to visit the hospitals and see those temporary beds that have been put in. What Mr. Khurana was talking about is the official figure of the beds that is generally available in the hospitals. But what I am talking about is we have already put 40 to 50 beds per hospital as the space allows in the hospital, in every single hospital that comes under Delhi government. One. Secondly, I wanted to tell Mr. Dua one thing. He was talking about Delhi government coming with unrealistic promises. Let me tell you, we have not come with unrealistic promises. We have come with extremely realistic promises, but we have come because of the realistic picture that was shown to the people of Congress. It has been, the Congress has been undone because of their misdoings. Sorry to say that again and again, but
I will tell you about the realistic picture. Then again,
let me come back to one more thing. Let me come back to one more thing. Yes, let me come back to one more thing. You were talking about LG and governments working together. Here we have a LG who removes the health secretary and brings in one Mr. Chandrakar Bharti, who is already defamed because of his lack of decision-taking ability. We saw it in the Chinese Manja case. We saw that. And once he puts him in the office, he sends him to leave. He sends him on leave. So the health secretary is not there in the capital. And see, we have people from all the states nearby coming in here. When we talk about chicken, see, any death that happens is extremely unfortunate. Let me tell you. But what we are facing in Delhi is a lot of people coming from nearby states and nearby cities. We had 3 deaths due to chikungunya.
Let's get Mr. Khurana wants to say something. Mr. Khurana, I also want you to answer this question. Do you think that the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, he's become oblivious and impervious to the problems of Delhi because you know the ambition to capture and garner votes from other states is so luring that he has totally forgotten the people of Delhi?
See, Mr. Kejriwal has gone for his throat operation. If you do not know, let me tell you. And he was here in the morning.
Right.
And he was here in the morning. This is a misquote.
Vineet,
okay, Mr. Tyagi,
we are concerned about the Chief Minister of Health.
He get treated himself?
We are concerned about the Chief Minister of Health, and we pray that he should get well soon. First of all, that we should clear one thing. We are with the Chief Minister of Health. We are concerned with that one. Secondly, the problem is with the Aam Aadmi Party government or Aam Aadmi Party MLAs is very clear. If we pinpoint something is wrong with the culture of the government, what they are doing it, they straight away blames one thing. We can't do anything. It's a Modi's government or it's a Lieutenant Governor government. They should forget everything. Since last 25 years from 1992,
you should remember one thing. What we have talked about in this debate, I have never
let me complete.
Have I mentioned that we are not able to do something? We are the only. I think we are the only people concerned about the health of the people of Delhi.
Nitin, let me complete. Nitin, this is not a way.
Okay. What BJP is doing in Delhi right now.
Okay, let's get a caller in. Let's break this deadlock. Let's break this deadlock. We have a caller. We have a caller who's giving us a call from Gurgaon. Let's hear what he has to say.
Yeah, I think if these politicians can keep quiet, I can say something.
Go ahead, sir. We are listening to you. State your point.
No. I request all these politicians to listen to me, please.
Go ahead, sir.
Now, the real problem is that people of Delhi are suffering. Nobody is interested in who is Mr. Right, who is Mr. Wrong. But unfortunately, what is the perception developing in public is that by default, Congress and BJP are benefiting Aam Aadmi Party. They are seen as underdog. I think there is a need of the hour is that please work in Delhi, make the life better of the people, irrespective of the party. Please get together. People are suffering.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay, coming back to Mr. Dua. Mr. Dua, don't you think that the Aam Aadmi Party, instead of crying conspiracy every... Okay, sir. Mr. Khurana, I apologize. Go ahead, sir.
Vineet, I would like to ask one simple question from Nitin Tyagi and a straight answer from him. Satinder Jain has stated 3 things. Do he admit that? He said it's a media creation. Chikungunya is due to media creations. It's a humidity which is responsible. And third, the cases which have been occurred is from outside. This has been stated by Satinder Jain few minutes back. Did he admit that? The statement what has given by Satinder Jain, he agree on that or yes or no?
The 3 deaths that have happened are of people, the unfortunate deaths are of people who are not from Delhi as far as I have the knowledge. I may be wrong, but I have been ensured that one gentleman was from Ghaziabad, one from Aligarh, and one
is the most inhuman statement you can make.
This thing, I think this is what Mr. Jain has stated.
Okay, let's listen into what Mr. Jain actually said. Let's play that out for you.
LG साहब ने जानबूझ के जो हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर था उसका मिस रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं, उसको गलत तरीके से तोड़ मरोड़ रहे हैं और वो हर चीज़ को पैरालाइज कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर पूरा गवर्नेंस को बंद कर दिया है। 8 अगस्त से सारे ऑफिसर्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही काम कर रहे हैं, वो फाइलें इकट्ठी कर रहे हैं और एलजी साहब के पास भेज रहे हैं। अस्पतालों के अंदर दिक्कत आ सकती है, लोग कहते हैं डेथ हो सकती है और वो कहते हैं हम फाइल को चेक करेंगे उसके बाद काम कीजिएगा। ये मेरे को समझ से बाहर है। अरे पूछो ना एलजी साहब से कि जो इंक्वायरी कमेटी बैठाई वो सारी रात काम करे, सारे दिन काम करे, जो भी उनको फैसला लेना है आज क्यों नहीं लेते हैं? वो 1 महीने से ऊपर हो गया, 1 महीने से फाइलें लेके क्यों बैठे हुए हैं? और जब मैंने आदेश दिए हैं तो अखबारों में मैंने पढ़ा है कि कुछ अधिकारियों ने कहा है कि शेडो फाइल पे ऑर्डर नहीं किए जा सकते।
Okay, the Health Minister of Delhi, Mr. Dua, crying conspiracy and saying that, you know, the LG is probably not interested in the welfare of, you know, the people of Delhi. Is this just fire? Is this just smoke, I'm sorry, or is there fire somewhere which actually needs to be addressed? Is the Aam Aadmi Party making this noise for no reason, or are there really concerns about this tug of war which has really crippled a lot of departments in the city of Delhi and the citizens are bearing its fruit?
Just now on your channel, the most inhuman and unsympathetic attitude of the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson has been revealed when he says that deaths have been not from people of Delhi. A death is a death, be it person of Delhi, people in Delhi, living in Delhi or from other states also. And mind you, these are the people who gifted themselves 400% salary hike and they didn't have the money to give to poor Safai Karmcharis of MCD.
Wrong with you, Mr.
These
Dua.
are the same people.
I said the deaths are extremely unfortunate. Deaths are extremely unfortunate. What Mr. Khurana had asked, this is what I was stating. I was clarifying on that. I was clarifying on that. Probably
your psychopathic cowardice has been released. No,
probably you have selective amnesia.
You have given a statement. You have given a statement on record.
Asking me,
no, you have given a statement on record.
This is a clear case of selective amnesia.
You can gift yourself 400% salary hike. You can't release money for the poor Safai Karmcharis of Delhi. You are a bunch of molesters. You are a bunch of manipulators.
You also know there has been no
middlemen.
salary hike.
I charge you with that.
Mr. Dua,
your own
this is
people.
for you, Mr. Dua. This is for you. Absolutely.
Your own people are charging you for that.
Just look at
no,
this,
your
Mr.
own
Dua.
people are charging
You
your
know what you're
people
doing.
Aam Aadmi Party are
Mr.
charging
Dua,
you for
you
that.
know what you and your
are a
party
bunch of
has been
molesters,
doing
manipulators,
since
middlemen,
independence.
and
This is
your
what you have been
MLAs
doing.
and those whistleblower MLAs who dare to charge you.
This
you
what I have written, what I am holding right now is what Mr. Dua's party has been doing since independence.
You performed worse in politics.
This is absolutely true. What I have written on this placard for Mr. Dua and his party.
You people have betrayed beyond expectations.
They lied through their
Okay, let's get a caller in. Let's also, okay, gentlemen, let's get a caller in. Let's get a caller in. We have Preeti Joshi who's giving us a call from Saket. Preeti.
Hello.
Yes, Preeti, go ahead.
Hi. My question is that whatever the health minister said, okay, he has said something, but why have the other party members have taken the spin point? Hello.
Go ahead, Preeti. We can hear you.
Okay. Why are the other members saying that they've got this point to pin out this Aam Aadmi Party? Why aren't they actually working on the lives of the people? When Delhi people are actually suffering, why aren't they helping them out?
Okay, Mr. Khurana, that probably question was directed for you and Mr. Dua. You know, instead of playing the blaming game, why isn't the BJP on the roads of Delhi, on the ground, helping people who are suffering from this epidemic?
Preeti, I would like to state clear-cut things, two things, Vineet. One, as far as central government is concerned, you have already played Mr. Nadda's statement also, ki let's come up above the politics and do first the betterment of Delhi, and we are doing it also. Trust me, we are doing it. And as far as MCD is concerned, we have already stated our all the councillors down the line in next 72 hours, you have to be on the ground helping the people out. But what we were pointing out, if we are wrong, we'll take the onus. But where is the state government right now? Out of 7 ministers, 6 ministers, 5 of them is out of Delhi.
State government is there where it is supposed to be. State government is here in Delhi. let me please point it out to you, Mr. Khurana.
Nitin,
Mr. Khurana, you my
Nitin,
friend.
I have
Let
not
me just
interfered
point
in
it out
you.
to
This is
we
not
need,
a way of.
we need a lot of
this
lot of
shows your
people.
Okay,
frustration.
Mr. Tyagi,
We need
Mr.
a lot
Tyagi,
of fogging
shows your
to be done
frustration.
in
Mr.
the
Tyagi,
lanes and
let Mr.
bylanes of
Khurana
Delhi.
finish his
See,
statement.
let me-
Mr. Nitin Tyagi, I request you to please let Mr. Khurana finish his statement. You will get an ample opportunity to state your point like you did previously on this show.
Okay.
Mr. Khurana, go ahead.
As far as Nitin has pointed out, fogging is concerned, we have already done it, but it's a continuous process. We will do it. We are not hiding from any of the responsibilities. We assure you that. But what I'm trying to say that your health minister himself is saying it's a media creation. Why don't you understand? He's not accepting the crisis in Delhi. What we are pointing out.
Okay.
This is not a time of doing politics. This is a time of helping the people Delhi out. Why don't you understand? Nitin Tyagi, you are MLA.
Mr. Tyagi would want you to address that, and also please
Let me
address.
clarify
please
this.
address.
Let me clarify this thing.
Also,
Let
please
me-
address.
See, there are over. See, there are over. You yourself, Vineet, you yourself pointed out there are around 1,000 cases of chikungunya and 1,100 cases of dengue in the city. We have more than 10,000 beds.
There
in
are
the city.
724 cases.
And still,
There are
there's no space in the
724
hospitals.
cases, Nitin.
Still there is no space in the hospitals. More than 50% people within the city in these hospitals are from the NCR region or even further away.
Right.
And so the number of cases actually right now, which are, and most of them have not been detected right now. The number of people that are there in the hospitals have not been detected for dengue and chikungunya. But what is happening is, what I am again and again pointing out, we need to clean the streets, lanes and bylanes of Delhi. We need to clean the drains. We need to do the fogging. We need to sprinkle the medicine, which is not happening. I just request you, Harish, that all these councillors that you have, you are ruling the 3 MCDs. You have 7 MPs over here. You have more than 200 councillors. You should help the people of Delhi fight at the preventive stage.
Mr. Tyagi, I hate to interrupt, but we have run out of time.
We are not doing this. What we are doing,
we have run out of time, sir. We have run out of time, sir. We'll have to end the show over here. But all we can hope for is that the Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, they will see some common ground. And that common ground, sir, is that the people of Delhi are suffering because of this epidemic, and hope it ends very soon. And all 3 of you have to work together to make that happen. That is all we have on current issues. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.